Oh, he's at the door. Here he comes. Here he comes.
Okay, get ready, you guys.
Okay.
Okay, breathe.
When he goes through the door, you say, "Smile."
Instead of yell, that's what we should do.
And then all the cameras come out.
Say something. Yeah, smile.
Okay, get ready, you guys.
All right.
Ah!
Listen up. This is a robbery. I want bowling money, pocket change, jewelry, and gold teeth. Now that's gold teeth, not old teeth. Them old ones don't melt near as good as them gold ones. Put your paws in your pockets, your hands in your handbags. Get them valuables out. We'll come along and take them, just like the IRS.
Let's click it.
We don't give receipts if it's not taxed.
Borrow some from your younger sister here.
Bad news, boys. Do Vietnam position.
Flirting here should be working.
All you have is this Obama gold.
Oh my God. I'm beginning not to like you.
Formerly known as cheats. Government shield coin. Obama gold.
Here, and
That's all I got.
What's all I want then?
That's all I got.
What do you got here? Now the marshal's just going to be able to hear me now. I'll run for it.
You don't work for us.
I'll run for it. Now you didn't ask to take that picture.
Well, I'm
I
sorry.
would have smiled if you'd asked.
Well, then do it.
It's all in the eyes.
Little to the left. No, you're other. Down, not ready. Now, do it now. Quick, you're on a crew. Hurry up. What are you waiting on?
Well, you know.
You're not from Hollywood, are you?
I went left like you said.
Yeah.
It's just,
That's all blurry
it's just a smile under the thing.
You might want to do
All right, everybody quiet down. Don't say a word. Talking makes her nervous, so don't talk. Everybody just be real quiet, because we don't want to make her nervous.
I can't smile like this forever, Wolf. I gotta take a break there.
I'm sorry, Trace, it wasn't you, it's her. It's still blurry.
Awfully pushy if people walk around with guns in their hands. Goodness me.
Right, Chris? Talk about harassment.